Hey guys, Bryson with Trick Tools here. Just wanted to give you guys a look at a new grinder in our lineup. This is the Fein CG13-125. So this grinder here is single speed, turns at 11,500 RPM, and it is a 5-inch grinder, so it will hold any of the 5-inch consumables that go on a 5/8 arbor on here. So this grinder has a paddle switch with the little trigger lock to keep you from accidentally bumping it. So you have to pull the little orange tab here before you hit the paddle to turn it on. There is no trigger lock on this grinder for safety reasons. So it's got plenty of power, being a 13 amp grinder, to be able to power through some thicker materials. This is 1/4-inch steel plate here. It's got a little anti-vibration handle on it. It's got the lock right here on the head, which the head features all steel construction. That's going to give you the durability and the longevity to make the grinder last. So this grinder can also be, the head of the grinder can be rotated. If you remove the 4 bolts on the head, you can rotate it to the body if you want to be able to hold your paddle at a different angle to the grinder, that sort of thing. Pretty nice little unit. It's got these little dust kind of filters here on the air inlets for the motor. That way you don't get a bunch of stuff inside the grinder. Yeah, pretty nice little grinder. So check them out on our website, Trick-Tools.com. Give us a call and we can get you hooked up with one of these. So I'm gonna get back to work.